Hello, everybody. So this is day 2 of our going silver. And so what I want to talk to you about today is what it means to go silver, how you can get your products paid for, and how you can grow your business, okay? So first of all, going silver, that just means that you have 3 people that have joined your team, okay? Once that happens, then you go silver. And so what's going to happen with that is every time you have an ambassador join your team, you will receive a business building bonus, and you'll see that as BBBs that could range from $25 to $49. It depends on the welcome pack that the person joining ends up choosing, okay? So let's just say in May that you're going to go silver, okay? And I bet everybody's going to go silver in May because this is going to be a great month to do it in. So you're going to get $25 for every single person that joins your team. So let's just say you have the 3. So that's $25 a piece. That's $75 right there. Then when you go silver, you're going to get a $100 bonus. So that's $175 this week or this month. This pays for your products. If you order just the triplex, that would pay for your products for May, right? Okay, so that's one way to look at it is when you want to pay for your products, you could go silver and get those paid for. Now, every month after that, when those ambassadors order, you receive points on those. And we're not going to go into the points, but it's profit sharing, okay? So you're going to earn money on those points. And that's in the compensation plan that I will put up on another day, okay? So when you go silver, that's $175 in your pocket, okay? And we're going to talk about if you chose to just to add customers. If you wanted to add customers and that was it, then we're going to look at how to get your products paid for that way. So I'm a visual person. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. I'm hoping that you can. Okay, so when you place your order, that's 100 PV. You will not receive commission on that, okay? But then everything above that 100, you receive commission on. So if you had 5 customers, so we have customer 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you had 5 customers purchase a triplex, then you are going to receive 100 PV for each of those. So that's 500 PV. Once you reach 500, then you will receive 25% off or 25% commission. So you're already getting 25% of a discount off of your products, but you are going to earn 25% commission. So that's $125. And your triplex is $114.95. And then shipping and handling, I believe it takes it up to about $125. So with 5 customers, you can get your products paid for through your commission every single month, okay? So you're earning money with the customers that you're sharing these products with, these people that you are helping. You are earning money, commission from that, and you are also earning money when you have ambassadors join. So that's one thing that we're going to talk about is when you go silver, like I said, that's 3. But we're going to talk about the power of 3. I never knew what the power of 3 was until I started this business with Plexus. I never really thought about it, I guess I should say. But so let's say that you have, this is you, and you have 3 friends join. So you have, there we go, 1, 2, and 3. You're silver, okay? So you have these 3 friends, they've joined, so you're going to be silver. So you're helping 3 people with their business, and you are earning $25 a piece when they join. Now, if each one of these friends have 3 friends that join, that's going to give you 12 total ambassadors on your team, and you're going to earn bonuses for each of those. Okay, and I'm not going to go into the detail about the bonuses, but each time, each level, your bonus is a little bit less because they split the welcome pack among the different levels. Okay, and so and that's also in your compensation plan that we will talk about. So this is the power of three. You help 3 people join, then they help 3 people join, and that's how your team grows. Okay. So okay, so the power of 3, it's very important. You're going to help 3 people, and then they're going to help 3 people. So that's going to help your business to grow. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is what I want you to do is I'm going to be putting a compensation plan video. We'll probably do it tomorrow. I will put it on there so you can see how you're going to get paid. But what I want you to do today is I want you to think about why you've joined Plexus. Did you join Plexus to get healthy? Did you join Plexus to do the business? And there are lots of different reasons why. Your why will change over the time that you use the products and are doing the business. When I first started, my why was just to lose some weight that I had plateaued at. Okay, that was my why. And then when I decided a few months later, when I decided that I was going to actually do the business, my why was because God had spoke to me and told me this is how I needed to help people to get well so that he could use them. Okay. And that is still part of my why today. That is one of the main reasons that I do this. But another why that I have is, well, it's changed. It's changed a lot. I want to be able to, have some income where I can help my family. Like we have 2 boys in college, so to help them with college. And I want to be able to stay at home and have this income and not to be out in the workforce because I want to be available when my kids need me. In August, my oldest was in that tragic car accident. And one of the reasons that I was able to just stop working was due to Plexus. It just got me focused on a lot of things, and it really turned my business around because I realized how much I needed to be home and how much more I needed to work this business. So my why has changed several times in the past 2.5 years that I've been doing Plexus. So I want you to think about your why. So that's the first thing. So in the comments below, if you want to, or if you want to just message me or message your upline, then tell us what your why is, okay? And then we can help you decide which route you need to go. If you need to go getting customers, or if you need to go the route of adding ambassadors, okay? So then your second thing you're going to do is you are going to make a list of 100 people that you think need Plexus, okay? And that could be, it's called your Frank's list. It's going to be friends, relatives, acquaintances, I believe it's neighbors, and kids, okay? Through your kids. Who do you know through your kids? So that's your Frank's list. And write that list. Take a picture of it. You don't have to put their entire name, but just take a picture of it and post it. I believe you can post it in the comments. If not, you can message it to me or your upline, okay? So that's what you guys are going to do today. So tomorrow we will look at the compensation plan. I will send a video for that. And we will look at how to reach out to those people that you have on that list, okay? So guys, thank you and have a wonderful day.